Oh, you want to do makeup thing?
I'm gonna do my own makeup. I know how to put makeup on.
Okay, let's do the makeup thing.
I don't have the little ball thing that you use for when you dap your makeup on, but
a beauty blender?
yeah, I don't have that. I have the old-fashioned what we use.
Now tell them how you do your makeup.
Over 40. This is how I do mine, and it's cute enough for me. And it don't take all day like we just did with these eyebrows for them to look like this. DVEJU, when you do my eyebrows don't look like this. They be popping. They not popping right now.
They take practice. Yeah, it like takes practice for you to do. Oh my, let me show you how to do your eyeshadow. Since we're doing a makeup video.
Girl, this would take I will have to get up 2 hours early to do all of that what we just did. It ain't worth it. I'm straight. I'll wear my eyebrows natural. Okay? Oh, I can see myself.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I don't like my brows.
I do need you to get up in the morning because I want you to put them lashes on for me. You did.
I don't do it.
You sure did.
My face already has
maybe if I don't know what service I'm going
my face already has moisturizer on it, so I'm not gonna put any moisturizer on my
I might be going at 8 o'clock. I don't know.
I don't even have to explain. But I do want to show you how to do your
look at this. Yo.
What?
Demar. Look at him.
What's he doing?
Walking by the window going down like he childish.
Yes. Ooh. Right.
DVEJU, you're not supposed to be having that stuff on the floor.
Never.
Dang. This is what I've been using. You told me this was a
you
blush.
can use it.
Okay. And I'm not putting on no blush. I don't want no blush.
I don't even. What?
The blush, whatever that is.
It's not blush. It's highlighter.
Y'all,
she don't like highlighter. I don't know why. Okay, we're gonna take a
This is about the extent I go with a little bit of
We're gonna take a brown. Take this brown.
That brown?
Yes.
Okay.
And you see this little crease part right here?
Mm-hmm.
Take it and blend it like this.
Oh, I never did it like that, but okay.
And blend it out. Just like that.
Okay. Now, right here, you said?
Yes.
Am I doing my eyes like that?
If you have must.
Is this right? I'm going in a circular motion?
Yes.
Can't really see this station. That's why I use like a little lighter color, but okay. Well, I guess you can. Is that right then? What?
Why did you go so far up?
So far up? That's what you did? Oh,
you went all the way up there. You show your concealer.
This?
Yes. I blended that in a circular motion.
With, oh, blended, you mean use the same brush, not a color?
Yes.
Got you. Is this good? Is this good?
Yep. You are learning. Now do the other side.
Did you go all the way in with it?
Yes, I did.
But you just didn't go up. I went too far up. Like now, am I doing it right? Well, actually, I can't see the difference, DVEJU. I guess because I did it wrong. Oh, DVEJU, I can see the difference. Look.
Yeah. Now take the other brush
and blend it out.
Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. This right?
Yes.
Do you wear top eyeliner?
Yes. sometimes. Ma, you got to talk to the people.
What people?
YouTube.
Oh, yeah, okay. I forgot we were even doing this. I'm trying to learn how to do my makeup so I don't have to wake her up at 8 o'clock in the morning to help me for church to do my makeup. Well, not to do my makeup, but to do my eyebrows. Because sometimes I like to have eyebrows. I don't wear makeup all the time, but when I do, I'll like to have Deja do my eyebrows. Y'all like my hair? Deja did my hair. Just trying something new. It's kind of cute though, but I'm gonna have her do something else next week until I find the look that I'm looking for. She's not a patient trainer, so you know, but teacher.
So that's what's on. Well, my future students could be on here for my business.
Oh, I take that back. She's an excellent trainer as far as she's a good vocal coach. If you need lesson in singing, she can help you with your vocals. She kind of helped me out sometimes when I have to sing a solo at church. Not at church, but at funerals. For some reason, I sing at funerals. But anyway, she's a good vocal coach in that aspect. But she needs patience when she show you how to do the makeup part.
Would you like to sing something for them?
Do I need mascara? A little bit mascara.
A little bit.
But yours is in the bathroom.
That's mine.
And mine is in my room.
I thought that was yours in the bathroom.
No, mine's in my purse.
No, the bag is in the bathroom.
You left it in there, but anyway, that's all. Okay, Deja, I'm done.
No, you gotta do highlighter.
Huh?
Huh? You gotta do highlighter.
A highlighter?
Yes.
I don't like that.
Why? Might you want to sing something for them?
No, not really.
Do y'all see that on camera?
Okay.
Why you gotta do
Great
highlighter?
job. Thanks for
Why you gotta do highlighter?
Okay, what do I need to do? I don't wear the highlighter, guys. I don't know.
Take
what
a
that
rest.
is. Okay.
That is just quick natural beats.
And then what?
The makeup thing.
Highlighter, what am I doing?
Boom, 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 boom.
But what? This? What am I doing? Like that?
Yep.
Like
And
this?
smile. Yep. Turn to the side so they can see you. Okay. Mom, on your cheek.
Oh, on my cheek. Sorry, guys. On my cheek, they just said. I don't see it. Okay, I'm done.
Well, guys, I guess it's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this eyebrow tutorial and this little makeup thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends and family. You catch your dog, I know the drill. Share my videos with everybody love.
Yeah, show them so your girl
Deja Vu can be popping. Period. I love y'all so much, and give me video suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the description box for more of my amazing videos. Yeah, I love y'all so much, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next one. Bye. Hi. I gotta talk bye.
Bye.